Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the intriguing world of psychology. In this eye-opening video, we explore globophobia, the fear of balloons. Have you ever wondered why some people experience intense anxiety and dread around these cheerful, inflatable objects? Join us as we uncover the fascinating facts and psychological explanations behind this phobia. From its potential origins to effective coping strategies, we provide a comprehensive understanding of globophobia to promote awareness and empathy. Fact 1. Understanding globophobia. Globophobia is an irrational and overwhelming fear of balloons, which can trigger intense anxiety and panic attacks. Individuals with globophobia may experience distress even at the sight or sound of balloons being inflated or popping. Fact 2. Origins of globophobia. The origins of globophobia can be rooted in childhood experiences, such as a traumatic balloon-related event or witnessing someone else's fear. An individual's past experiences can create strong associations between balloons and fear, leading to the development of globophobia. Fact 3. Psychological causes. Globophobia may be linked to a range of psychological factors, including anxiety disorders and past traumas. People with pre-existing anxiety disorders may be more susceptible to developing globophobia as they're already prone to experiencing fear and panic. Fact 4. Fear of loud noises. For some individuals with globophobia, the fear is not solely related to balloons, but is primarily driven by the loud noise of balloons popping. The loud sound of a balloon popping can trigger an exaggerated fear response, leading to avoidance behaviors. Fact 5. Impact on daily life. Globophobia can significantly impact an individual's daily life, leading to avoidance of social events, parties, or celebrations where balloons may be present. The fear of balloons can limit opportunities for social interactions and enjoyment, affecting one's quality of life. Fact 6. Connection to other phobias. Globophobia may coexist with other phobias such as claustrophobia of confined spaces or coulrophobia, fear of clowns. The fear of balloons may trigger feelings of claustrophobia, especially when balloons surround the individual. Fact 7. Fear of bursting dreams. For some individuals, globophobia may symbolize the fear of dreams or aspirations suddenly bursting. Balloons are often associated with celebrations and happiness. The fear of them popping may represent the fear of sudden disappointment or failure. Fact 8. The role of media. Media portrayals of balloons popping in suspenseful or horror scenes can exacerbate globophobia. Movies and TV shows that depict balloons popping in tense situations can reinforce the fear and create negative associations. Fact 9. Onset of globophobia. Globophobia can develop at any age, but it is commonly observed in early childhood. A traumatic balloon-related event during childhood can leave a lasting impact and trigger the development of globophobia. Fact 10. Coping mechanisms. Individuals with globophobia may develop various coping mechanisms to manage their fear. Coping mechanisms can include avoidance, seeking reassurance from others, or carrying objects as distractions during balloon-related events. Fact 11. Impact on social life. Globophobia can lead to social isolation and avoidance of situations where balloons may be present. People with this phobia may avoid attending parties, gatherings, or even outdoor events to prevent exposure to balloons. Fact 12. Physical symptoms of globophobia. Physical symptoms of globophobia may include increased heart rate, sweating, trembling, and shortness of breath. When faced with balloons, the body's fight or flight response is activated, leading to these physical symptoms. Fact 13. Globophobia vs. coulrophobia. Globophobia is distinct from coulrophobia, fear of clowns, even though clowns often use balloons as props. While coulrophobia involves fear and anxiety, specifically related to clowns, globophobia centers on the fear of balloons themselves. Fact 14. Overcoming globophobia. Globophobia can be effectively treated through various therapeutic approaches, such as exposure therapy and cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT). Exposure therapy helps individuals confront their fears gradually, while CBT focuses on challenging irrational thoughts and beliefs associated with balloons. Fact 15. Supportive environment. A supportive and understanding environment is essential in helping individuals with globophobia cope with their fear. Creating a safe space where individuals can express their fears without judgment can be incredibly beneficial in their journey toward healing. Fact 16. Fears of vulnerability. For some individuals with globophobia, the fear is not limited to balloons but extends to the vulnerability associated with inflated objects. The vulnerability of balloons, which can easily pop, may symbolize the fragility of life and trigger feelings of anxiety. Fact 17. Prevalence of globophobia. While globophobia is relatively rare, it is essential to recognize and support those who experience this fear. Understanding the prevalence of globophobia can help reduce stigma and promote empathy. Fact 18. Educational awareness. Educational programs and workshops can increase awareness about globophobia and its impact on mental health. By providing accurate information and dispelling misconceptions, educational initiatives can contribute to a more inclusive and understanding society. Fact 19. Balloon phobia vs. globophobia. Balloon phobia and globophobia are synonymous terms for the fear of balloons. Both terms refer to the irrational fear and anxiety related to balloons. Fact 20. Fear of unexpected loud noises. For some individuals, the fear of balloons is related to the suddenness of the loud noise when they pop unexpectedly. The fear of sudden loud noises can evoke a fight-or-flight response, leading to anxiety and avoidance. Fact 21. Connection to specific events. Globophobia may be triggered or exacerbated by specific events, such as birthdays or celebrations where balloons are commonly used. Certain events or occasions can serve as triggers for individuals with globophobia. Fact 22. Globophobia and clowns. The fear of balloons can be intensified for individuals who also fear clowns. Clowns often use balloons as part of their performance, leading to a compounded fear for those with coulrophobia and globophobia. Fact 23. Impact on childhood. Globophobia can significantly impact a child's social life and participation in school events. Children with this phobia may miss out on school celebrations and events involving balloons. Fact 24. Coping strategies for children. Educating children about their fear and providing age-appropriate coping strategies can be helpful. Coping strategies can include deep breathing exercises, positive self-talk, and gradual exposure to balloons. Fact 25. Emotional toll of globophobia. Globophobia can lead to feelings of embarrassment, shame, and isolation. The fear of balloons can be difficult to explain to others, leading to a sense of isolation for individuals with globophobia. Fact 26. Role of parental support, and understanding play a crucial role in helping children cope with globophobia. Reassuring children, providing emotional support, and seeking professional help when needed can make a significant difference. Fact 27. Connection to traumatic events. Globophobia may be linked to past traumatic experiences involving balloons. Traumatic events, such as balloons popping unexpectedly, can leave lasting impressions and contribute to the development of this phobia. Fact 28. Therapeutic interventions. Apart from exposure therapy and CBT, other therapeutic interventions, such as hypnotherapy and mindfulness practices, can also be beneficial. Different individuals may respond better to certain therapeutic approaches, so a personalized treatment plan is essential. Fact 29. Impact on personal relationships. Globophobia can affect personal relationships, particularly romantic partnerships. Individuals with globophobia may struggle with intimacy and vulnerability in relationships due to fears of judgment and ridicule. Fact 30. Symbolism of balloons. For some individuals with globophobia, balloons may symbolize vulnerability and unpredictability. The fragility of balloons and their potential to pop may represent life's uncertainties and evoke feelings of fear. Fact 31. Globophobia as a learned behavior. Globophobia can develop as a learned behavior, where an individual observes someone else displaying fear of balloons and internalizes the reaction. Observational learning can play a significant role in the development of phobias, including globophobia. Fact 32. Relationship to specific colors. Globophobia may be more pronounced for specific colored balloons, depending on the individual's associations with those colors. Colors can evoke different emotions and memories, potentially intensifying the fear of balloons of particular hues. Fact 33. Connection to other fears. Globophobia may be linked to other phobias such as trypophobia, phobia of clusters of small holes. Individuals may experience heightened anxiety when faced with balloons due to their resemblance to clustered patterns. Fact 34. Early intervention and exposure to balloons in a controlled and supportive environment can be helpful in managing globophobia. Gradual exposure to balloons with the guidance of a mental health professional can help desensitize individuals to their fear. Fact 35. Impact on celebrations. Individuals with globophobia may avoid attending celebrations or parties where balloons are commonly used. Fear of balloons can hinder social participation, making it challenging for individuals to enjoy social events fully. Fact 36. Media representation. The representation of balloons popping in movies and TV shows can perpetuate the fear of balloons. Negative portrayals of balloons in media can reinforce and trigger globophobia. Fact 37. Association with claustrophobia. Globophobia can be associated with claustrophobia, as the fear of enclosed spaces may extend to the feeling of being surrounded by balloons. The feeling of confinement when surrounded by balloons can exacerbate the fear for individuals with claustrophobia. Fact 38. Cognitive distortions. Globophobia can be fueled by cognitive distortions such as catastrophizing and overgeneralization. Negative thought patterns can heighten anxiety and contribute to the maintenance of the phobia. Fact 39. Fear of loss of control. For some individuals, the fear of balloons may stem from a fear of losing control. The unpredictability of balloons popping can evoke feelings of powerlessness and fear. Fact 40. Cultural influence. Cultural beliefs and experiences can influence the development and expression of globophobia. Cultural associations with balloons and celebrations can shape how globophobia manifests in different communities. Globophobia, the fear of balloons, is a complex phobia that can significantly impact an individual's life. Through understanding the origins and manifestations of this unique fear, we hope to promote empathy and compassion for those experiencing it. Recognizing the need for support and professional intervention, we encourage individuals with globophobia to seek assistance on their journey toward managing and overcoming their fear. Join us on this exploration of globophobia as we aim to create a more inclusive and understanding world, free from the stigma surrounding mental health. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to help raise awareness about globophobia and support those who may be going through it. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on various psychological topics, and stay tuned for upcoming videos on fears, phobias, and their impact on human behavior. Remember, knowledge is power, and together, let's foster a more compassionate and empathetic society. Thank you for watching.